Beauty is more than just appearance. It's confidence, authenticity, and self-expression.
Siempre un paso adelante. Exploramos nuevas tendencias para revolucionar el cuidado capilar.
At Rev 320, we merge science and nature to develop high-performance hair products that redefine industry standards without compromising health or the planet.
Cada fórmula que creamos está respaldada por la ciencia, la tecnología y una inquebrantable pasión por la calidad.
Our secret lies in the depth of every formulation. High-performance results tailored for professionals. Natural ingredients meet cutting-edge technology for responsible hair care.
Committed to the planet, responsible ingredients, sustainable packaging, positive impact.
Proven, reliable quality that makes a difference with every application.
Creamos experiencias, más que productos, ofrecemos transformación.
3 specialized brands, 1 mission, quality and results. Gelactica, men's styling with superior hold and care. 320 Pure, a complete hair care and styling line with 11 transformative products. K Pure, formaldehyde-free straightening with advanced technology for impeccable, lasting results. But our commitment goes beyond aesthetics. We are a company with purpose.
Somos una familia que construye confianza en cada producto.
Guided by clear values, integrity, every decision we make matters. Innovation, because beauty is always evolving. Teamwork, success is built together. Responsibility, the well-being of people and the planet is our priority. We've already crossed borders. Now we're ready to go even further. We're seeking strategic partners and distributors to expand our brands into new markets across the US and worldwide. Join a vision of success. The time to do business and collaborate is now. Let's talk.